How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 25, that is comprehension, passage, and poem. So, here you have to first read the passage and answer these questions according to yourself. You have to understand the passage carefully. So, Jimmy had a new bicycle. One day he went for a ride. He was carrying a cassette player and had a pair of headphones over his ears. As he cycled, he enjoyed music. The music came from the player loud and clear. The traffic light at the junction changed from green to red, but Jimmy did not notice the change. He kept on singing with what he was hearing. Suddenly, a car knocked Jimmy down. At the hospital, the doctor found that Jimmy had head injuries and a broken arm. How did the accident happen? Jimmy did not see the red light. He did not hear the car honk. He was enjoying the music and cycling very fast. Children, you don't want to behave so as foolishly as Jimmy, do you? You should not behave foolishly like Jimmy. You should not wear headphones while driving or while driving a cycle or when you are walking on a road because you cannot hear the noise of the honk. You cannot see the red light because you are busy in listening to music. So, here you have to complete the sentence. The new bicycle belonged to Jimmy. While he was riding, he was listening to music. He listened to music from the player with cassette. Where we listen to music from the player with headphones. The red light is a traffic signal meaning stop. Jimmy did not stop because he did not see the red light and he was busy listening to music. Answer the following question. What happened to Jimmy at the road accident? Jimmy Jimmy had the serious head injuries and broken arm. Where was Jimmy taken to? He was taken to the hospital. What injuries did Jimmy get? Did Jimmy get the head injury and the broken arm? Why was Jimmy a foolish boy? Jimmy was a foolish boy because he was listening to music while riding a cycle. So, like this, you can read the further passages and answer the following questions. So, that's all for today. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you. See you in the next class.